y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I have the privilege of co-hosting the Thrifted, Gifted, and D'S Tablescape Challenge being hosted by Shangie Living Life to the Fullest and our other co-host Tammy with me, myself, and DIYing it. Now, this is my first time co-hosting and I hope you guys enjoy it. We were to create a table using thrifted, gifted, and DIY items. The upload date is today on June the 19th, 2020. We were to mention each host channel and also add their channel links to the description box as well as the playlist for the challenge. I encourage you guys to go by and check out both of these young ladies' challenges, both of these young ladies' tablescapes, as well as look into their channel. They have lifestyle channels. Tammy does lots of DIYs, lots of blingy and glam DIYs on a budget. She also does some marvelous tablescapes. Shangie does the same thing. Lots of very beautiful tablescapes. She also has a Fat Tuesday, which she shows you how to create beautiful floral arrangements. I bought nothing new for my tablescape. Everything was from shopping my home. The majority of the table setting is thrifted items. A couple of the items are from Ross, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls. The tea set was a gift from my cousin for my birthday last year. And the DIY is the white wire candlestick with the dangling crystals on it. Channeled my boho chic style to create this tablescape. There's a mixture of patterns and textures, and the colors are in the same family. It's got just a little bit of glam to it, but a lot of boho. So enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys at the end. You guys enjoyed this Thrifted, Gifted, and D'S Tablescape Challenge. Thank you, Shangie, for inviting me to co-host with you. And I hope to co-host again with you and Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. If you are already following me and have subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And if you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like, share, comment, and subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. This was a fun challenge, and I enjoyed participating, and I look forward to many more. You guys take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.